Hello all, welcome to Pradigy. My name is Pradyum. So let's continue to the current affairs series for the ECGC PO exam and RBI Grade B exams without wasting any time. So we were on the 11th slide and today's current affairs are like this. NPCI, that is National Payment Corporation of India, releases the Digital Payment Index. तो द क्वेश्चन इज डिजिटल पेमेंट इंडेक्स को कौन रिलीज करता है? तो नेशनल पेमेंट कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया रिलीजेज द डिजिटल पेमेंट इंडेक्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज एज पर द UNCTAD, यूनाइटेड नेशंस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन ट्रेड एंड डेवलपमेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट ट्रेड ट्रेंड्स मॉनिटर, FDI flows to India decreased in 2021 than that of 2020. Next one is AIIB is set to invest $150 million in development of data centers in Asia. Next one is Department of Economic Affairs manages the contingency fund of India on behalf of President. So the Department of Economic Affairs manages the contingency fund of India. So who manages contingency fund of India? The answer is Department of Economic Affairs. Next one is variable rate repo auction is the expansion of VRR auction conducted by the RBI. So you will be asked what is the expansion of VRR conducted by the RBI. So the answer is variable rate repo auction. Next one is as per the MEITY vision document, the target of electronics manufacturing and exports to be achieved by 2026 is US dollars 300 billion. $300 billion US dollars is the target of electronics manufacturing and exports to be achieved by 2026. Next one is the valuation limit for a Decacorn company is US dollar 10 billion. So what is the valuation limit for a Decacorn company? That is US dollar 10 billion. Next one is as per IMF World Economic Outlook January assessment, the estimated growth of India in 2021-22 is 9%. Estimated growth of India in 21-22 is 9% according to IMF World Economic Outlook January assessment. Next one is the Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank PMC Bank was amalgamated with Unity Small Finance Bank. So which bank is amalgamated with Unity Small Finance Bank? So that is Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. Next one is India has initiated an anti-dumping probe against the import of vinyl tiles from China, Taiwan and Vietnam. So what is it against of? The vinyl tiles from China, Taiwan and Vietnam. Next one is India has set up a $150 million US dollar venture capital fund in UAE, United Arab Emirates. Next one is as per the Economic Survey 2021-22, the estimated GDP growth of India in 22-23 is 8 to 8.5% as per the Economic Survey 21-22. Next one is as per the Union Budget 22-23, the new alternate minimum tax AMT for cooperative societies is 15% as per Union Budget 22-23. The new alternate minimum tax for cooperative societies is 15%. The next one is the shares of Meta fell 26%, the biggest single day slide in market value for a US company. The Meta, that is formerly the Facebook. Now the maturity period of the sovereign gold bond SGB scheme is 8 years. So the maturity period of sovereign gold bond scheme is 8 years. Next one is the India-US bilateral trade crossed the milestone of $100 billion lately. Next, according to 2020 data, the rank of India in millet exports is 5th. The rank of India in millet exports is 5th. So what is the rank of India in millet exports? That is 5th. Next one is the new policy repo rate. The new policy repo rate after the February 22 Monetary Policy Committee meeting is 4%. So what is the new policy repo rate? That is 4%. Next one is the official GDP deflator projection for 22-23 is 3.5%. So what is the official GDP deflator projection for 22-23? That is 3 to 3.5%. Next one is the SBI has partnered with NSE Academy. The SBI has partnered with NSE Academy to promote financial literacy as a necessary life skill. So SBI has partnered with NSE Academy. Next one is SEBI regulates the stock exchanges in India. So who regulates the stock exchanges in India? So the answer is SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Next one is Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, SPMCIL. So you have to remember this expansion of SPMCIL functions under the aegis of Ministry of Finance. So SPMCIL functions under the aegis of Ministry of Finance. Next one is Agriculture, Infrastructure and Development cess AIDC was reduced to cut the tax on importing crude palm oil. So the AIDC was reduced to cut the tax on importing crude palm oil. Next one is Jio Platforms has a joint venture with Luxembourg-based SES to deliver the broadband services across India. So आपसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि लग्जमबर्ग बेस्ड SES के साथ जॉइंट वेंचर किसने किया है या जियो प्लेटफॉर्म ने किसके साथ जॉइंट वेंचर लिया है ब्रॉडबैंड सर्विसेज अक्रॉस इंडिया डिलीवर करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज वेदांता हैज फॉर्म्ड ए जॉइंट वेंचर विद फॉक्सकॉन. वेदांता ने जॉइंट वेंचर किया है फॉक्सकॉन के साथ टू मैन्युफैक्चर सेमीकंडक्टर्स इन इंडिया. तो सेमीकंडक्टर्स इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चर करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्प्लिटिंग द पोस्ट ऑफ चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर. ये अभी मैंडेटेड किया गया है लेटली बाय द SBI आफ्टर द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ उदय कोटक पैनल. तो ये आपको पैनल का नाम याद रखना है कि उदय कोटक पैनल की रिकमेंडेशंस पे ये चेयरमैन और मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर की पोस्ट को स्प्लिट किया गया है. एज पर द रिसेंट AAR इज अथॉरिटी ऑफ फॉर एडवांस रूलिंग. The rate of GST to be paid on income earned from providing guest lectures is 18%. तो आप guest lectures के लिए 18% GST पे करना होगा. Next one is Yes Bank launch startup enabler program Agri Infinity. तो Yes Bank ने एक startup enabler program लॉन्च किया है जिसका नाम है Agri Infinity. तो आपको ये दोनों ही नाम याद रखने हैं. Yes Bank ने ये प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किया है और एग्री इन्फिनिटी आपसे ये पूछा जाए कि एग्री इन्फिनिटी प्रोडक्ट किसने लॉन्च किया स्टार्टअप एनएबलर प्रोग्राम. तो येस बैंक ने ये लॉन्च किया है. नेक्स्ट वन इज RBI ऑथराइजेज ऑल प्रीपेड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स इन इंडिया. RBI ऑथराइज करता है ऑल प्रीपेड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स इन इंडिया. नेक्स्ट इज यूनियन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर चेयर्स द फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी एंड डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल. यूनियन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर जो हैं वो चेयर करते हैं किसको? फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी एंड डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल. तो ये थे हमारे आज के करंट अफेयर्स. कल हम ऐसे ही कुछ करंट अफेयर्स के साथ आपसे मिलेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. हैव ए गुड डे अहेड. टेक केयर. बाय बाय. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग अगेन.